Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Some more examples regarding this trigonometry chapter. Example 6 by 288 page number. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ is equal to 3 centimeters, PR is equal to 6 centimeters. Then find the angle P and R. So this is the question. This is a different model. Here 90 degrees, here this is Q, P, R. Given right angle at Q, right angle at Q. So PQ is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. PR is 6 centimeters. Determine angle P. This angle is how much? This angle is how much? This is the question. So see in which manner we can do. The given data is this side, this side. This is called hypotenuse because 90 opposite. If we have to find this angle, this is adjacent side. This is adjacent side. Otherwise, if we find this angle R, this is opposite side. We can go in any way. We can do this in different ways. So, first, regarding this angle, I am finding this one. For this angle, this is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. So, cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here cos theta means cos P. Cos P is equal to, here adjacent side means PQ by PR. Cos P is equal to, PQ value is 3. 3 by PR means 6. So here 6. That is equal to 3 ones, 3 twos, 1 by 2. Cos P is equal to 1 by 2. Cos P is equal to, here 1 by 2. In cos, at which angle this 1 by 2 will come? So at 30 degrees. So at 60 degrees, sorry. In cos, half will come at 60 degrees. So instead of writing 1 by 2, I am writing cos 60. Cos will get cancelled. P is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle QPR is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle is came, this is 60 degrees. Here this is 90 degrees. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. We know that very well. We have angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P 60 degrees plus angle Q 90 degrees plus angle R, we have to find that only 180 degrees. By adding these two, 150 will come. 150 degrees plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle R is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. Angle R is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 60 degrees. Angle R means PRO is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Another example. Example 10 by page number 291. Sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B. Then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. And that means these two angles are complementary angles. Sin A is equal to cos B. Then we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So I am writing this one. Sin A is equal to cos B. Instead of writing here, I am writing cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to cos B. See why I am writing here? Here this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees means y-axis angle. Y-axis angle. In y-axis angle, cos will become to sine. And also this is A means acute angle. So this is in first coordinate. In first coordinate, all are positive. Here 90 is there, cos will become sine. So I will write like this one. So instead of sine A, I am writing cos 90 minus A. That is equal to cos B. This cos will get cancelled. 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 minus A is equal to B. This minus here will go to that side, plus will come. So 90 is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? One more example. In exercise 11.3, fifth question, page number 292. If ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So, ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. You remember that this is trigonometry chapter. Here triangle means right angle triangle only. So, here A, B, C. We have A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees because the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees. So, I am taking this C to that side. Why I am taking C only? Why not B? Why not A? Because here C is on right side. So, I am taking this C to right side. So, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Here plus C, that will go means minus C will come. Divide on both sides by 2. Divide on both sides by 2. Why I am dividing on both sides by 2? Here in answer 2 is there. So that's why I am dividing. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Next. Here tan is there. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. So tan A plus B by 2 is equal to, here also tan, both sides tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Here tan A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus means this is first coordinate. First coordinate all are positive. Here 90 is there. Instead of tan, I will write cot. Cot, you forget about 90, cot C by 2. So that is answer. Hence, prove. One more example. This is exercise 11.3, 6th question, page number 292. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So we have to convert this one to angle between 0 to 45 degrees. Here 75 degrees is there, here 65 degrees is there. In our answer, the angle should be between 0 to 45 degrees. So we have to convert that one. So what is given data? Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Instead of writing 75, I will write 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. See what is the answer will come? 75 will come. Okay? Here also, cos, instead of writing 65, I am writing 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Once again I am checking. 90, 25, 5, 88 will be there. 65 will be there. So see, instead of writing 75, I am writing 90 minus 15. Instead of writing 65, I am writing 90 minus 25. So you know very well how to do this one. Already I told so many times. 75 degrees, first degree, first quadrant. Here 90 is there. Instead of sine, cos will come 15 degrees plus. Here also same procedure. 90 is there. Instead of cos, sine will come 25 degrees. See, these angles are between 0 to 45 degrees. 15, 25, the less than 45. Therefore, cos 15 degrees plus sine 25 degrees. So, I converted this one to this one. Therefore, sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees plus sine 25 degrees. Next example. Example 13 by page number 294. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. This is already told in previous class. This is just like a mind game. We have to think what is the left side, what is the right side. In which manner we can get the answer. Here LHS. Cot theta plus tan theta. This is LHS. So, instead of cot theta, I am writing cos theta by sin theta. Here also sin theta by cos theta. So, cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta by cos theta. Here cos theta by sin theta. Here only two fractions. I already told you so many times. This will multiply here, this will multiply here. These two we can multiply. So cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta will come. Sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. In denominator, sin theta into cos theta. We know very well, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. We know very well, 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta means secant theta. So that is right side. Is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. Hence, proved. We have to write here cot theta, tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. In the same way here also, since cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So one of the easy question, one of the important. Next, we have to show that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is one identity. So how this is came? A, B, C, here angle theta. This is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Here 90 degrees. So, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. In this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here I am dividing on both sides with AC square. Dividing on both sides with AC square. Dividing on both sides with AC square. So that is AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. Here I am writing AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square is equal to cancellation 1. Here we know AB by AC. AB by AC means AB by AC. AB by AC means cos. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So instead of writing this one, I am writing cos theta square is there. Square plus this is BC by AC. BC by AC. BC AC. BC means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means sin theta whole square is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Hence, proved. Express all trigonometric ratios to secant theta. Means all trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. So these 6 are converted to secant. Means 1 is less. So remaining 5 are converted to secant theta. So we will try our best. So all 5 trigonometric ratios to convert to secant theta. First one, cos theta. Is there any relation between cos and secant? Yes. Secant is inverse of cos. Secant is inverse of cos. So cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. So cos theta I already converted. 1 is over. Remaining 4 are balance. So next one. Cos is came. When cos is came, then go for sin. Sin also converted to secant theta. What is the relation between sin and cos? Identity is there. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to, this will go to that side, means 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? 1 by secant theta. Square means secant square theta. So here LCM 1. So this will go this side, this side. Secant square theta minus 1 by secant square theta. This is sin square theta. So sin theta is equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant square theta. Here for this square, this root will cancel. For here, the root will be here only. Secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. So sin is also converted to in terms of secant theta. Next, 1 2 over remaining 3 balance. Next I am going to tan theta. So there is a relation between secant and tan. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this minus tan square theta will go that side, that one will come this side. Secant square theta, this one will come this side, minus 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. So tan is also converted to secant. Next, cot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cot. Is there any connection to cot? Cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta means root of secant square theta minus 1. So this is also over. So last one, what is the missing? Cos over, sin over, tan over, cot over. So cosecant is balanced. Cosecant. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is equal to sin theta already proved. 1 by, what is sin theta? This one. Root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. So 1 by, this will be reciprocal. Secant theta by root of secant square theta minus 1. Therefore, cosecant theta is equal to secant theta by root of secant square theta minus 1. So all trigonometric fiber converted to secant theta.